When comparing large worksheets, the one-on-one comparison mode should be considered. In this tutorial I will show you how this works. I have opened already two workbooks and the worksheets are properly matched, so we can start specifying our comparison task. As the first step, we need to decide whether to compare it as a worksheet or as a database. In our example, we compare as a worksheet, and it shows you the options for the one-on-one comparison. If you choose link columns one-on-one, the condition is that all the columns are identical between the two worksheets. No missing and no inserted columns. Choose link rows one-on-one. All the rows should be identical, meaning no inserted rows, no missing rows. And if you choose both of them, the condition is no inserted columns, no inserted rows, and every cell will be compared one-on-one. This comparison mode makes sense for very large worksheets, which we know they are both identical, just the values or the calculated values are changing. In this case, it is recommended to use the one-on-one comparison because it makes the process a lot faster and it makes working and updating differences a lot more efficient. You can choose either one of them or both together. And with this we are set, and let's start comparing the two. And these are our results. That this is a one-on-one comparison is indicated by the link icon. Each cell is linked on a one-on-one basis. We have 4 differences in entered values and formulas and 4 differences in calculated values. For an efficient work process, we strongly recommend to start first working on the entered values and formulas. The update options you find here, either all the values and formulas are transferred from the source to the target worksheet, only a selected difference is transferred, only a selected difference is transferred from the target to the source worksheet, or all the differences are transferred from the target to the source worksheet. For simplicity reasons, let's transfer all the differences from the source worksheet to the target worksheet. We click this icon and the target worksheet is updated. The green color here is indicating that the differences are updated. In the target worksheet it shows the updated differences, while in the report here it shows the original values. Now, since entered values may influence the calculated values, it is recommended to refresh the comparison first before we start working on the calculated values. And as you can see, all the differences in the calculated values do not exist anymore. The reason is we have updated the entered values and formulas, and they have influenced the calculated values, therefore no difference left. Thank you for watching.